Today on the Roy Garage, we fixed the floor to get ready to put the cab on the chassis. It looks like this pylon is a good move in that way. You push the bottom of the door in. Look at that, that looks pretty good. It does look really good. Want to try your shot at welding there, Jake? Yeah, we just got to clean these up really nice. Shall we mess around with some metal? I got some 1/8 inch thick stuff, and then I also have this 16 gauge, which I'm going to practice welding on so that way I don't burn through any holes. We're welding 16 gauge. We're using argon CO2 mix, so I'm using a 25 thou-inch wire. So our setting is going to be 3 on the speed and B on our heat. What I'm seeing here is I gotta stay on it to make sure I get the metal hot enough. Ooh, that's nice and hot. Look at that. Yeah, that looks really good. We all think we gotta give it a shot. All right, let's set the lights up and camera action. Try to block it up where it needs to be. Sure. Oh, that might be it right there, actually. I think I got to get a bead right here and just keep going that way with it. I think I'm doing something. Sweet road shot, Joe. Oh, that is way better already. That's what I'm talking about. I think we should cut some of this right here and try and patch it in now. Someday we'll have a nice shop where we'll have a nice bench to work on. Let's see how we did though, huh? Not too shabby, to be honest with you. I bet if I take my marker right here, and we cut there, I think it'd fit in here like that. This is where it's gonna be tricky. Let's see if it fits. Bro, look at that. It fits in there so nice. We're gonna get this cleaned off and weld it in there. I think that was decent.
We're not professional welders by any means, but we did do some tests to make sure we got some good penetration before we made these welds. Cleaned them up and it looks pretty good and feels pretty solid. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on next week's episode of The Roy Garage. Thanks for watching.
Bro, I just can't wait. Oh yeah, that floor is way better, bro.